asked in that script. Okay, so here is our first question. Given an integer array nums, find the contiguous subarray, okay, containing at least one number that has the largest product. Okay, and you have to return that product. So here is our test cases. Now let me make you understand that array may contain negative or zero number also. Okay, this is the catch, because if every number is positive, then it will be a very easy problem. So what is the idea? First of all, you will pause and think about the problem. Okay, okay. I hope you have think, and if you can code, then okay. Otherwise, see the solution. Okay. First initialize with maximum product and mean product. Okay, which is the first element of the array. And why mean product? Mean product is that because it will it will help you to track the minimum product found so far. Okay, it will help you to suppose we are in the contiguous subarray. uh, we are also taking consideration of negative number. Okay, because whenever you will find the a array less than 0, so in that I we will swap the max product and min product. Why? Because the suppose we are considering minus 12, and we are multiplying it with some other negative number, there is a chance that it will be greater than some positive number. So that's why we are taking the mean product. Okay, and after that simply we are comparing answer of the previous answer, means previous till that index answer has come, and the maximum product, and after that we are returning answer. Okay, so let me run the code of the C++. Here already I have run the for the input 3 minus 2 0 and 1, so answer will be 1, that is the maximum. Let let me again run it. For the test case 2 3 minus 2 and 4. So here we will give the array size as 4, and array input is 2 3 minus 2 and 4. So see, output is 6. Okay, and below that you will find the Java solution and the Python solution. Okay, logic is same, you can understand if you code in Java or Python, so I am not going to explain. Logic is same and you will understand that. So coming to the second problem, it is also in the range of easy to medium. It can't be said that it is easy, and it can't be said that it is hard. Means easy to medium, it can be said. You are given with two arrays s and x, okay, of size n, containing the same elements, possibly in different order. Okay, the array means you are given with the two array. Okay, and the order of the elements will be different, and you have to perform the adjacent swaps, like the adjacents of the array element you have to swap, and you have to find the number of adjacents and swap required to transform s into x. And if it is not possible, then it simply return -1. Here is our test cases. Now this is why this is a medium category problem, because here sorting will be used. So what we are doing, we are taking an integer n, and we are taking the making the vector s and x to store the array element. We are taking the array input in x and x array, and we are also keep using of unordered map. Why? Because we are here is our logic. The logic is that we will keep track of the uh, of the x array in the unordered map. Okay, why? So that we can compare that how much index it is differing from the we are basically making a base of the array. Okay, and after that we are using the merge sort for that, so that we can compare the corresponding indexes, and returning the and returning our answer. Okay, so let me run this for you. This is our C++ solution. Okay, let me run this. Here I am giving input as 5, which is the length of array. For the S array, give input 20, 40, 29, 20, 40, 29, 10 and 98. 10, 98. And for the X array, 10, 98, 40, 20 and 29. 40, 20 and 29. So our output is 7. Similarly, you can try run this input also. And below we have given the code for the Java people and Python. For the Python people, make sure you may get error in the indentation. This is very common, so rectify this. Okay, so I am ending this video with this saying. Okay, now you can practice our previous shift questions on our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching this by watching our videos. If you find any value from our channel, please subscribe us. Okay, thank you.